Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, so the first step for PayPay is done, okay, and help me reach 100k. If you're new, do subscribe because you may never see this channel again. Is Bitcoin going to go to 100k or am I going to reach 100 subscribers first? Please let me get to 100k before Bitcoin. So the first step is pretty much done, and I talked about this WICK, and I made a special video in detail talking about how wicks are going to always be visited. So you have WICK took the stop loss, as I told you, and here it is. Okay, so you're taking out that stop loss. So basically this step is pretty much done. Okay, what I was expecting is already play out. The second step is pending, and what's pending is basically this wick must be taken out as well. Okay, this has been taken out. It's time we even probably take this again, and then finally boom, push up. Okay, you have 1-2 wicks, maybe take even this one out, and then finally push up, take that wick out as well. And this is where we're going to see the real test. Okay, November has already started, and if I show you the monthly time frame, this looks amazing. You have a morning star. That is pretty good. November is amazing. A lot of altcoins are looking very, very good on the monthly time frame at the moment, and on the weekly as well. We just have this one green candle, and we have now 4 more days to see how this week is going to end. Now, thing is, I'm going to go back into the 4-hour time frame as well, and I'm going to drop in a little bit of this trend line. So take the trend line here, and you can see that this is a trend line right there, and we have another push like this. So I want to give you an estimated time of how much long we may be looking for a price squeeze right here. So you started one. I'm just going to dive into the 1-hour time frame so that you can look in the details. 1 hour, just like that. Okay, now here's the thing. One touch, move to the upside, came down. One touch, move to the upside, came down. One touch, up, down, and now you're here. Okay, so it may keep on consolidating like this until you don't finally push up. So in this consolidation, you could see something like take that stop loss, every stop loss, and then boom, finally move to the upside. Basically a fake out and then a push up. So the maximum time you're looking for a decision is going to be 5th of November, which is 4 days from now, and within 4 days we must actually get an answer. Can we actually push like this all the way? I'm expecting something like this to happen in the future. And that's it for this very quick update on PayPay. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, Hafiz.